In this video, we will see how to make a request for advance payment through the ERP system. So for that purpose, we go to the personal menu, then to the expenses and advances, and click on this option request expenses / advance. So to make a new request, we click on this button, new expenses advance request. Select the appropriate option, expense type, select advance, specify the description, specify the amount, keep it cash as it is, and click on the submit button. Okay. So now here we can find the new entry for the new request. We can check the status of our request from this table. Here we can see this particular request is still pending with head of the department, VP admin, and from the principal sir. So once the request has been approved by all the approving authorities, then it goes to the account officer for the cash or online payment. Now we will see how the approving authorities are going to approve the advance request in the ERP system. Here we can see the first approving authority is head of the department. The approving authority will get the notification about the advance request in the job tray in their login. So we click here, advances / expenses. Here we can find there is one request from the Rahul Mapari for the advance payment. So to see the more details and to approve it, click on the check. Okay, so there is one request from the Rahul Mapari, and here the authority can mention the remark. Select the account head. So here we have to select the appropriate account head from the available ledgers in which or against which we want to make this particular payment. So this payment can be made against the industry visit ledger. So here we select industrial visit expenses and then click on this button approve. Okay, so the request has been approved by the first authority, then it goes to the second authority, that is VP admin. So we log out. So now the VP admin will going to verify and approve the request from his login. Again the authority will get the notification in the job tray regarding the advance payment. So we click here to see the notification, to see the request. There is a request from the faculty, click on the check button. So request has been approved by head of the department, and now the VP admin can verify the details and click on this button to approve the request. Now the request goes to the principal sir for the final approval, and then it goes to the account officer. The principal sir will also get the notification regarding this advance payment in his job tray. So we click here on the advance and expenses. There is one request. So again we click on check. So request has been approved by the head of the department as well as by the VP admin, and now the principal sir can click on this button to give the final approval for this advance payment. Okay. Finally the request come to the account officer. So here the finance admin or account officer need to switch the role from the staff to finance admin to process the advance request. So there is one request in the job tray, so we click here, click on the check button to see the request and process it. Select the policy. It will automatically fetch financial year and all the details. To see the new request, click on the second tab, employee advance request. So here we can see there is a request from the faculty for the advance payment. So to process this request, we click on this button, book advance. Select the cost center, account head, paid by, select the bank, mention the details regarding the payment to be issued to the faculty against the advance request, mention the remark here and click on submit button to book the cash. After this step, the account officer can transfer the payment against the advance request to the faculty through the online mode. Now we will see how the account officer will going to settle the advance payments issued to the faculties or any staff member. So for settlement of the payment, we go to this third tab. The account officer will going to select this option. Here we can see the advance payment entries. Now if I want to settle this particular payment, we go to this button, click on the settlement. Now there are three options available to settle this particular payment: payment voucher, journal voucher and income receipt. So account officer will going to select the appropriate option for settlement of this payment. So this is all about the advance payment request flow in the ERP system. How these faculties, how the staff members will going to apply for the advance payment through the ERP system, how the approving authorities will going to verify, check and approve the request against the advance payment, and how the accountants, the account officers will going to book the cash against the advance payment request, and finally how to settle the advance payments. Thank you very much.